Good day and a warm welcome to another episode of the Digital Savvy Advisor. Today, we're going to be looking at creating content, putting that onto your ProfileMe, changing the UI of your, in other words, the look and the feel of your ProfileMe, and then also how it all fits together so you can take that content and put it on LinkedIn and put it on WhatsApp and put it on WhatsApp status. So first things first, if your practice has a company profile, you would know that the practice has a master profile, and then you've got all of the users connected to it. You can log into the master profile and make changes to that, and it will pull through to all of the users as well. And in the same vein, you or the users can log into their profiles and make individual changes there that it will apply only to them. You'll see here's a special kid here on the right. So company profile, you've got all of the users connected to it. What's great about this is that you get to see the stats for your group, you get to manage approvals, and you can manage your users all from one convenient place. How you get there is you go to hub.profileme.app. You need to register. If you've not registered yet, you use the email that is on your ProfileMe, and you input that into the field. It will then send you a verification code to your email. You put in the verification, and now you're registered and you can sign in. If you've already registered, all you do is just put in your email and put in your password, and you are now into the dashboard. Now, looking at how we're going to spruce this up. So our holiday season is coming up, so I'm going to use the use case of using rewards. So yeah, you'll see is appearance and branding section. You can very easily decide that you want a different color, so you can set the colors. So we're going to go with a gray there, and there's many things that you can edit here, from updating your logo, setting a background, and setting a new mobile banner even. For this use case, I'm going to put in a video on rewards, and I'm going to put that into the header there. It's just loading, and there you'll see there's the rewards video now. There's a couple of other things that you can do here. Do log in and see what you can get done. So this is what the profile looks like currently. This is what we've changed it to. I'm now going to hit submit, and it is going to publish to the internet. It's going to take about 15 seconds or so, and it will then live reflect on this profile. Let's just wait for that to load, and there we go. New mobile banner, as well as the background. We've changed the background. Now we want to go in and we want to edit some content. I've got an example up here. I want to talk about rewards. And I want to publish it within the ProfileMe. I add a video, I add some text, and I add a picture. All of this I got off the internet, off the rewards website. I took it and I put it into ChatGPT, and I asked it to do a couple of functions for me, but everything here is off content that I could find on the internet. So going to the buttons section, you'll see there's all of the buttons there. You can edit, delete any of them. Let's see, here's the live file. I don't want it for the holiday season, so I'm going to hide that. And here you can see at the bottom, you can add another button. So a couple of things that you can do. One, you can add a link. So now I want to link to, say, rewards profile or a page on a website somewhere. Doesn't really matter what your use case is. So add URL, I click on the pencil, and I go and paste in the icon after the URL, and I can go set the title. Learn more about rewards. Great. So here you'll see the button is there. I can even go and set a color if I wanted to stand out. I've already added a rewards one here. You'll see this is how it shows up. And to replicate how I did that, what you will do is you'll add a pop-up button. I can now say, earn rewards this festive season. I'm going to hide the previous one that we did, and I'm going to type in earn rewards this festive season. I do want it to stand out, so I'm going to make it, I'm going to choose a color, say a green color, and I'm going to apply, and then I'm going to make the font color white. There we go. And I'm going to set the icon. Right. Now I've added the field. Now I can go edit the content that's inside that field. Very easily, I found a YouTube video on rewards. I'm copying the URL. I'm going back to the hub, I'm pasting in the URL, and the video display will pop up directly. In ChatGPT, I've already structured how I want my content. I'm now going to go copy that, go back to the hub, and I'm going to paste that in. There we go. And I'm just going to set the styling here. Let's go for a large font there. And I'm going to take that bit out. And here's how you can do that. And then I'm just going to go quickly, as with a Word document, just set the content so that it reads nicely. I don't need that bottom bit, and I don't need that. So that's perfect. You'll see here, if you look at the preview, everything that I've just put in there is already there. I want to finish off by putting in a picture. So I'm going to go and I've downloaded a picture. I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to say probably at the end, click here to learn more. And what I want to do is I want to link that button to the rewards page, and I'm going to highlight it, go to the link, and save. And there we go. I now have a hyperlink. We call that a hyperlink. Let's have a look. Oh, goodness. There we go. And click here. That will open up that link. Perfect. So now you've done that. There's been a change there. So let's go and publish that. You've got to click submit. It is building to the internet. There we go. And as soon as we update this one, the updated content will pull through. There we go. There's the green button, learn more about rewards. Now what I want to do is I've put the content into my profile. Now I want to send out a WhatsApp message. I want to put it on my WhatsApp status, and I also want to put it up on a LinkedIn post. So I've created the content. Now I just want to restructure it a little bit. What I'm going to go do is I've gone again and I've structured how I want to communicate my items on rewards to my clients. So what I've done is I've written a pre-written message. I can now go to WhatsApp, and I can very easily go and say, drop the video on Old Mutual Rewards. And I can go and paste in my text, and I want to make that bottom part bold. I've definitely gone, one thing to certainly do, always add your ProfileMe link. So here it is. You'll see there. If I copy that and I take it out, it'll take out the feature image that was just there. If I put it back in, there we go. Now people can read about what they can do with their Old Mutual Rewards. And I'm also sending them to the link to go and explore more about rewards, because if they go to the profile, I'll have a dedicated button for rewards. Going back to status, how you would utilize that on your WhatsApp status is, let's see here. I've pre-written a message that is nice and short that I can put on my WhatsApp status. So I'm going to go copy that. I'm going to go to updates, and I'm going to first upload that video. I got a video on rewards. There it is. It's quite nice. I'm going to put that onto my WhatsApp status. And it's just loading. And in the next frame, that short message that I wrote, I'm just going to paste it there. Your feature image, which will be your profile picture, pulls through. And I want to go grab a nice and festive color that's going to stand out. There we go. Let's go with that color. And I'm saying there, maximize your festive season with Old Mutual Rewards. Click on the link to learn more. So how that will look, people will go to my WhatsApp status and they will see rewards. And in the next frame, I'm saying, I'm pointing them towards my ProfileMe. If they click on that link, the link will open up. So, and then they can go to the rewards button. Now I want to take that exact same content and I want to put it on a LinkedIn post. What I can do is go and say, upload the video on rewards. I go next. I go back to that nice structured message that I have that also tells people to click on the link to learn more, where you've got the longer form of content. And I put that in. And now I'm ready to do a LinkedIn post. Let's do the post. You're wondering on how to do a WhatsApp status, WhatsApp has a really robust help center where they will show you how to create a status on Android, on iOS, as well as on the web version of WhatsApp. The web version is nice because it's easy, you close it to your keyboard and all of your content. So I do encourage you to go and have a look there. If you're wondering about what does privacy mean and who can see what, do go and read up on this. WhatsApp status, just for your reference, only people that have your number saved and you have their number saved can see your WhatsApp status. The more people you have in your phone contact list, the more people are going to see this. So make an effort to, when you meet somebody, make sure that they save your number and you save their number to build out your contact list. These are warm leads that you can simply warm up even more. So your phone contact list, one of the most valuable lists you will have. Also, your WhatsApp status will be visible for 24 hours, so you can actually post frequently. I would say around about 3 times a week is acceptable. And what is nice about it also is people choose to go there. They literally opt in to see your content, and it is a wonderful, non-invasive way to share content. So I do encourage you to go and have a look there. Just a quick recap, what you can do is sign into hub.profileme.app. If you've got any problems there, please email our support team at support@profileme.co.za and they will assist you. You can then log in, view your statistics, and you can go and edit your content in your ProfileMe, as well as the appearance, as well as mobile banners and all of those wonderful things. So hope you enjoy it. We'd love to hear your feedback. And if you have any questions, just let us know. One last thing that I forgot to mention is that apart from just having your hub and you can have all of your advisors there, you also get access to our upgraded tools that work with the upgraded dashboards. Cool things like tools and resources that you can put inside the profiles. There's a little calculator from currency partners. We do see a lot of clicks on these forms, custom forms. You tell us what we need to ask and we will build it. A custom form. This is a callback form. Here is a annual review form, and your client, you can just WhatsApp it off to your client, ask them, it's time for your annual review. Please indicate whether you would like one or not. They can say, no, I don't want one. Or they can say, yes, my needs have changed. I need to update my will, etc. And they can even say, when can you contact me? How can you contact me? And a preferred time for that as well. When you submit this form will go to the profile owner, and you can see a second email address in, such as your PA or your compliance officer for those forms. We've seen some really robust forms. This one, an example of I need a will with explanations in it. So that's quite handy. Other things that you can control in terms of content on your ProfileMe is to add testimonials. This is definitely a good idea to add testimonials to your profiles. And you can even add awards and accolades and pictures and certificates and things like that. And like I said, it is not just like for building profiles for your advisors. You can build dedicated client hubs. This one is for an EB client, and they send this out. They make the QR code available on all of the staff public areas where the employees can scan this. What then happens is the employees start sharing it amongst themselves, which is really handy in order to get to those employees and to retain them when they leave the organization, because there's a lot that you can do with such a client hub, and you can make that available to your client. You'll see here's an example of a company profile or a company portal. It can be saved and the phone's home screen. So there's really a lot that you can do here. We recently put out a hub to make it easier for our clients to access us from their phones' home screens. It's got an adjusted UI. This is actually a ProfileMe. It's now sitting in one column on desktop view, and we've even added in some other additional features. This, I would say, is a more like a client portal. It's highly customized, but it still lives on a single ProfileMe link. Definitely get in touch with us if you are looking to create a web app for your clients in order to use that as a client portal. We are releasing themes quite shortly. In the next week, things are absolutely awesome. They make design super, super easy and super simple so that you will never ever sit with bad design, you can go check it out on our website. And the themes are great. Again, we've adjusted the desktop layout. It is now going to sit in one column. It is very nice to look at. And there is three different themes. One is modern, one is compact, and one color. And the other one is more towards our classic style. So definitely do go check these things out, and do keep an eye out for our updated hub. We'll be releasing to you soon. With the new themes that we are rolling out, we've got a beautiful lightweight one available as well, and it's got ad space. So the organization can absorb this and they can run ads via their own employees on the profiles, which is really nice. A big one is that we can now put your ProfileMe onto a custom domain. So if you've got a domain that's in your name, or if you've got an organization, you're struggling with a website, we can make a company profile and we can put it onto a dedicated domain for you, whatever it may be, a .co.za, a .hub, a .app, a .com. We can put a ProfileMe directly onto it, and it's going to work so nice for the new themes coming out to put that type of websites out on your dedicated domains. So it works really well. All you need to do, we will register the domain for you. And then we can go and fiddle with the DNS settings, and we will put the ProfileMe on top of that. Further on with that, here another example of a profile that is on a custom domain. Again, on this UI, you will see that it is very nicely designed in order to create a client hub or a dedicated web app, and still it can be shared on. It's not just an app that sits on one person's phone. You can still share it on it. The shareability is there. And they've also got a very nice branding area that they've utilized there at the bottom. So definitely, if you've got web app ideas that you'd like to build out, let us know. We're here, and we are definitely ready to assist. Now that is all from me. Have a great day.